unplug me? Just for a minute, I need some privacy. Headset off and stretch her neck out. Down the rocks to her head's safe house. Yeah, I remember it all. Bleeding, shut out my calls. The air was so dusty, her armor getting rusty. She found thoughts she never had. Her young ones were just as bad. Holding a heart, feel like a lady. Things apart, cold, rugged, waiting. I can't believe that you lied. Did you know where to find me? I get the feelings in, I really thought it cost me. Drops in her goggles aren't of love. Something's really wrong and it feels awful. And even though her body's back to normal, she once was a villain and it's hiding in her soul. I don't wanna know what she did. She's not who I am. At least that's what I thought. Now I'm second guessing. I can't put my gun down. My suit's getting heavy. Something wants to be released. Something dark inside me. Dark familiarity. Something dark inside of me. Dark familiarity. Something dark inside of me. Dark familiarity. Something dark inside of me. Dark familiarity. She opened her eyes and watched the ruins. Thought of a life and a love to lose. She shook out her lenses, they want her back soon. The moments alone becoming scarce and few. Sure she could fight, but she's getting vision. These are words unspeakable and personally dead. She couldn't pose a threat to a ghost like this. You rescued her once, now it's your turn to save him. I can't believe that you're not, that you know where to find me. Drops in her goggles aren't of love, but something's really wrong and it feels awful. Yeah, I remember it all. Bleeding, shut out my calls. The air was so dusty, her armor getting rusty. She found thoughts she never had. Her young ones were just as bad.